Hello viewers, welcome to our channel TechVideos. In this video we are sharing with you how to active night mode on Facebook Messenger. So keep watching till the end and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, then press the bell icon for never miss any videos. The dark mode in apps is a recent trend and large number of apps has already added dark mode in feature in their UI, like the YouTube apps, Google Maps and Twitter. Facebook Messenger dark mode has arrived, but it's currently hidden. However, you can easily enable the dark mode feature with this video method. It's 100% working method, so keep watching till the end. First method, send crescent moon emoji. First method working most of the time. Open any chat. After open any chat, tap on the smiley face icon inside the message input box. Go to the emoji tab. Select this emoji. Find crescent moon emoji and then send it. When you do that, you will get message at the top side indicating that you have unlocked the feature, and you can enable dark mode by tapping. Try it in setting. But this method not work for me. If this method not work for you, you can follow the second method. Second method, open Google Play Store. Search in here Messenger. Select Facebook Messenger, uninstall this messenger. After uninstall, click on the install button. Downloading. Installing. Downloading and installing process has been completed. Now click on the open button. After open, log in your Facebook account. Now I am logging in my Facebook account. After login, click on the profile icon. In here you can say dark mode is enabled for my Facebook Messenger. You can enable the toggle option for the dark mode. So I hope you enjoy this simple video. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up like button. Share this video with your friends who want to know how to active night mode on Facebook Messenger.